Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kali ini di tempatku lagi musim hujan. Kalau semalaman diguyur hujan, biasanya paginya akan keluar serangga yang kalau di tempatku namanya laron. Laron adalah rayap betina dan jantan yang sudah matang, akan memiliki sayap dan menjadi laron. Biasanya muncul di awal musim hujan. Laron suka cahaya loh, karena laron akan mencari pasangannya di sumber cahaya. Perlu teman-teman ketahui, umur laron sangat pendek, kalau di tempatku hanya sehari saja. Begitu kira-kira teman-teman. Kalau ada salah kata, saya mohon maaf. Teman-teman luar biasa. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
You put down the phone, you've nowhere to go. Get back on the road, yeah, it's over. Dotted line, the red stop sign, no room to go slower. You do it today, you do it again in a week. You're a fake, you're a freak, you're a parasite sucking a leech. Come on man, it's over. Yeah, it's over now. What a waste of time, what a waste of time to fall so far behind. You're back on the beat, distorted and cheap. You're a villain, what the fuck are you selling? You're a sham, I won't fall at your feet. Now come on man, you're older. Yeah, you're older now. What a waste of time to fall so far behind. You're out in the street, feeling weak and defeated. It's all that you needed.